Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. I hope you're all doing really well. It's Friday today, so happy Friday. I hope you've all got some lovely weekend plans. I'm so excited for this weekend because I'm actually flying to Paris tomorrow for my friend Becky's birthday. So I thought today I would just sit down and film a really chatty, what I'm packing for Paris style video. Just fancied a bit of a chat, to be honest, and I thought it would be nice to have a bit of a catch up, show you some cute outfits, and hopefully get a little bit clearer in my mind about what I'm going to wear this trip, because I am not the most organised packer, to be honest. I tend to just take quite a lot of options and kind of just see how I feel on the day. So yeah, would like to be a little bit more organised for this trip, so fingers crossed. But yeah, when I mentioned on Instagram a couple of weeks ago that I was going to Paris, so many of you said that you were also going to Paris, so I thought this video might just be helpful if you've got a trip coming up and you are looking for some inspiration of what to wear. I have been quite torn with this trip about whether to go for like very Paris style outfits or whether to keep it kind of classic and neutral. But yeah, I'll show you a few options that I have and hopefully it's helpful. This trip is definitely a girls group. There's actually 4 of us going and it's a really fun group, so really looking forward to it. Ruby, one of my friends, she actually has some close friends that live out in Paris, so she has been in charge of the itinerary. So yeah, I don't actually think we've got a spare 5 minutes, but I feel like that's what you need in Paris just to really make the most of it. So yeah, really excited. She's booked us into the Moulin Rouge. We're going for lunch at Cafe Marley, loads of different things. But yeah, just super excited, to be honest. I have been to Paris once before with Ollie, and we absolutely loved it. Like, I just love all the cafes and like sitting outside and watching the world go by. It's just, yeah, really looking forward to this trip because I feel like it's the perfect location for a girls' weekend. I feel like a hen do in Paris would be really fun. Yeah, maybe one of my friends will have a hen do there, we'll see. We fly tomorrow morning. I think one of the girls' boyfriends is giving us a lift to the airport at like 5:15, which is so early, but I feel like it's good because then it really like makes the most of the day when you get there and it's still kind of like lunchtime-ish. So yeah, really looking forward to it. I feel like the day before is quite last minute for packing, and you might have thought that I was very organised, but no. I actually tried to be really organised for the Cotswolds last weekend, and I got everything out and put it into my suitcase like 2 days before we went. But then when I came to like finish off packing and close the case, I basically just forgot so much stuff because I assumed that I'd already put it in there. I literally forgot like all my blazers, which as you can imagine, I was very upset about because pretty much ruined every outfit of the holiday. I'm not trying to be dramatic. I only took a black underwear, and basically everything that I wanted to wear was like white dresses, and oh, it was just an absolute nightmare. I left my conditioner. Was there anything else? Basically everything. So yeah, I'm never going to be organised again. It's just not worth it. So yeah, gonna talk you through all of the pieces now and hopefully get a little bit clearer in my head about what I'm taking. And then yeah, I will definitely pack this evening. So yeah, I think I'm going to start with daytime outfits because I think that's what I'm most excited about for this trip. I feel like it's going to be nice to wear like sandals and cute like matching sets and stuff. So yeah, I will talk you through the options that I have for the daytime and then move on to nighttime as well. But yeah, as always, let me know what you think and I will link everything in the box down below. Okay, so I thought I would start with my airport outfit for tomorrow. Obviously, the flight to Paris is only about an hour, so not too long. If I am ever flying long haul, I will tend to just throw on like joggers and a hoodie, or maybe like a matching loungewear set. But because the flight isn't too long tomorrow, and because like we're going to arrive and we'll be in Paris, I thought I would actually go for more of like a trainers and dress kind of vibe, because I do still find that that is pretty comfortable for a short flight. The dress that I had in mind was actually this new one from All Saints. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll have seen this one from my weekend in the Cotswolds. I wore this for breakfast at Dalesford Farm with some trainers, and I'm thinking that same vibe for my airport outfit tomorrow. This one is so good because it's actually long sleeved, and I just feel like that just makes it so much more wearable. The dress is absolutely beautiful. I'll try and show you close, but it's got just amazing embroidery detail at the top and on the arm. Yeah, it's just absolutely stunning. I have filmed yesterday a what's new in my wardrobe for spring video where I talk about this dress in detail, so I won't repeat myself. But yeah, massive fan of this dress, and I think that is what I'm going to wear tomorrow to the airport. At the weekend in the Cotswolds, I wore that dress with my plain white Vijas, which I love. I'll also leave them linked down below, but I think tomorrow I'm going to wear with my Chanel trainers instead. I've been kind of toying with whether to take my Chanel trainers to Paris. I get really nervous taking like expensive possessions on holiday just because, you know, there's a lot going on, you're busy, things get lost. But yeah, I think I am going to take them. I feel like obviously Chanel in Paris, and they're actually my comfiest trainers, so if we're doing a little bit of walking around, I feel like they'll be really handy for that. So yeah, I think I am going to take them, so I will definitely pair them with that dress tomorrow. Just thought I'd have a little look at the itinerary to see kind of what time we arrive at the hotel, and what we've got planned tomorrow afternoon, because that will dictate the outfit. Okay, so pretty much like a nice lunch and sightseeing afternoon. So I'm thinking that I want to be pretty comfy. So I think I'm gonna stick with the trainers vibe and want it to just be like a really easy to throw on outfit, because as soon as we get back from like traveling and check into our hotel, we wanna just get changed really quick and get out and explore. So I am actually thinking that I'm gonna wear these black linen shorts from Zara. I think I got these last year, but I'm pretty sure they'll have the same, if not really similar, in stock at the moment, with just a plain black racer neck t-shirt and a blazer over the top. I've been wearing different variations of this outfit on my Instagram in like a couple of reels and things, and I just feel like it's a really easy outfit to throw on like a warmish day, when you want to look really like effortless and put together. But yeah, it's just really easy. I've been wearing it mainly with a camel blazer over the top. I think in Paris I'm gonna wear this linen blazer, which, as you know, I am absolutely obsessed with. Spoke about this in my last YouTube video, I think. Thinking I will pair that with my Chanel trainers, which are white and black as well. So yeah, it will be like a really cute monochrome look, I'm thinking. So yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna go for, but if I don't feel like it on the day, I could always just stay in the dress that I've worn to the airport, because that's already like pretty nice outfit. So yeah, those are the two options for the first day, I think. I feel like those outfits are really easy to kind of recreate with items that you probably have in your own wardrobe. My airport outfit, you could just wear any kind of white mini floaty dress with some trainers. And for the afternoon outfit, any kind of black base would do. So whether that's a t-shirt and shorts or like a black mini dress. And then if you've got a lighter blazer, just throwing that over the top as well, or any blazer, to be honest. I have been wearing that with the camel one, as I said, so I feel like there's a lot of different kind of outfit options that you could go for with that. Okay, so the Sunday when we're there is like our main full day, because we're there Saturday but kind of like half a day, Sunday a full day, and then Monday we fly home in the evening. So Sunday is pretty much our main day. So what have we got on the agenda, Ruby? We have got brunch at Cafe Marley. I'm so excited for that. I've been looking it up on Instagram, and I feel like that's where everyone goes for like a cool photo, and the food looks really good as well. We're going to see the Eiffel Tower, and then potentially doing a boat ride before we go for dinner and Moulin Rouge in the evening. So yeah, on the Sunday, I think I'm gonna change it up a little bit, go for something a little bit more fun and Paris themed. I'm thinking like Emily in Paris vibes. I really wanted to get a matching set. So that is what I ordered from New Look for this month. This was gifted, by the way, but I absolutely love it. So it's this matching blazer in this kind of like pink check, and it's got matching shorts as well. I just thought this was really cute and really fun, especially for a girls trip in Paris. So yeah, I love this. I went for a size 8 in the blazer and a size 6 in the shorts. I haven't actually tried it on yet, so I will do in the cutaways and you will see. But yeah, I'll probably just pair this with little heeled sandals from Under the Stories. They're just the perfect kind of everyday neutral sandal and not too high, so they'll be perfect for kind of walking around all day. And underneath, I'm probably just gonna wear either like a white bralette or maybe like a strappy white top. I was thinking maybe a halter neck bodysuit from Zara, but I think it'll come up too high and it won't quite look right. So yeah, probably like a white bralette or a strappy white top. So yeah, really impressed with that from New Look. I'll definitely link it in the box below and hopefully get a little bit of cute Paris content in that outfit. I did just want to show you this cute jacket from Mango as well. It's really similar to the New Look one, in this kind of like a cropped blazer style, but this is in a gorgeous yellow colour. I actually bought this before I'd seen the matching set on New Look, so I don't know if I'm going to have a chance to wear this weekend, but I thought I'd show you in case you wanted to pick one up for your Paris trip. Yeah, I just thought this was absolutely gorgeous. It was quite expensive though. I think it might have been £80, which for like a yellow cropped jacket that you're probably not going to get that much wear out of. It is quite expensive, but I do think this would look nice with just like a white t-shirt and some jeans, to be honest. So I might try it with a few kind of casual outfits and see what I think. But yeah, just wanted to show you that. Okay, so on the Monday it's actually 26 degrees and full sun, which is so hot. So definitely don't want to be wearing too many layers. Just checking what we are doing on Monday. So we've booked in for a brunch and lunch at Coco Paris and then I think we're doing a little bit of shopping before we get an early dinner and then we fly. So yeah, want to be, again, quite cute for some nice lunches, but also not too hot. So I am thinking, I picked up this cute dress in Zara a couple of days ago. It's just this really nice kind of floral linen kind of style dress. I just thought this was a gorgeous print and it would look really nice styled underneath my white linen blazer. I'm not sure if I'm going to be too hot if it's 26 degrees in a blazer, but we'll see. But I just thought that would look really cute with maybe some black brown sandals, or you could probably even wear it with trainers as well. So yeah, this is definitely an option for the final day. Again, I spoke about this dress yesterday in my what's new in my wardrobe for spring video, so I won't repeat myself here. But yeah, that is definitely an option for the Monday. I need to try that dress on without the blazer and see if it looks too kind of dressy for the daytime. I feel like with a blazer it just makes it a little bit more casual. So yeah, I'll see what I think, because it might be too hot to wear the blazer on the Monday. If it is really hot, I am thinking I might just go for something really simple and classic. So these white linen shorts from Zara, I think these are the same style as the black ones actually. I picked these up in a recent order and absolutely loved them. So I'm thinking maybe just these with a plain black like bodysuit, or maybe just a racer neck t-shirt and some flat brown sandals. I just think that'd be a really cute, effortlessly Parisian outfit. So yeah, that is what I'm thinking of for day 3. Okay, so the third option for day 3 is actually a really cute co-ord from In The Style. I don't always shop on In The Style, but mainly because I always love the Lorna Lux edit, but literally every time I go on to order something, it's always sold out. So yeah, managed to get my hands on this new edit that she'd done, which I think was like a capri, like Italy style edit. I could be wrong, but that's the vibe it was giving me. This is the skirt, which is really cute in this really nice floral pattern. It's a really nice like baby blue and pink colour, and it's got this matching ruffled blouse, which I really liked. This is the blouse, so it's got a ruffled neckline, which I like, and also ruffles on the shoulder, and buttons all the way down the middle as well. It tucks into the skirt and just looks really cute together, to be honest. The skirt is really nice. It's got, I don't even know what this is, like something inside it that makes it kind of like bouncy and really frilly, but yeah, really cute. I actually picked this up in a size 6 tall, and I think I went for a size 8 in the blouse. Yeah, a size 8 in the blouse. Be able to see that set better in the cutaways, but I was just planning on pairing it with my heeled sandals from Under the Stories, or you could even wear it with any kind of brown flat or heeled sandals. But yeah, I just thought it was a really cute option, especially because it's got long sleeves. It's just really wearable if you're not sure what the weather's going to be like on a city break, and you could probably wear them as separates as well. So this blouse would be really cute tucked into some jeans. So yeah, it could be a really good option. We power through. I think that is it for daytime outfit options. So moving on to nighttime now. So again, I wanted to go for something a little bit more kind of fun and Paris themed for one night, and then for the second night go for something a little bit more kind of classic. But for the first night, we've just got dinner and drinks booked. I'm gonna go for an all pink outfit. So I actually picked up these pink trousers from Zara recently. I know I've already got a pair of pink trousers, but honestly, I actually find that pink trousers are a little bit of a wardrobe staple for me. Like, I always wear them on holiday or like nights out. Like, I just absolutely love them. So yeah, when I saw this colour, I just absolutely fell in love with it. It's a really nice baby pink, whereas my other ones are a little bit more of a darker pink. I also think these will look really nice styled with just like a white t-shirt and some trainers. So yeah, I've gone for it, guys. I'm sorry. So yeah, that is what I'm thinking for the first night. That would look really nice with like a white kind of halter neck top, or like a knit bralette and a white blazer. But what I think I'm actually going to do is pair it with a pink top and go for like a really all pink look. Lol, when I'm holding this up, it just looks awful, but it's one of those like multi-way tops from Zara in this really kind of nice stretchy material, and it's got 2 straps so you can wear it like a few different ways. I think I'm actually gonna like cross them across the front, but you'll be able to see it in the cutaway. But yeah, I did just think this would be a really cute kind of girls' night outfit, and because I've got other pink trousers, I feel like I will actually be able to wear this with things that are already in my wardrobe, and it would also look nice with some like white tailored shorts shorts or something. So yeah, that is what I'm thinking for the first night. So we're going for dinner and drinks at Mun. She's also made a note, bless her, Eiffel Tower glimmer at 8 p.m. Oh, I love how the Eiffel Tower glimmers. It's just the most magical thing ever. I remember when I went with Ollie and we met some friends and they told us about this really cool bar which was like on top of a boat. So yeah, we were literally at this bar on top of the boat and you could just see the Eiffel Tower glimmering and it was just so magical. So yeah, really excited for that. And then for the second night, we are going to a restaurant called Mama Primi, I think, and we are going to Moulin Rouge at 11. I'm so excited for that. I have actually been before and it's incredible, so definitely go if you are in Paris. But I'm thinking for that, I'm gonna go, like I said, for something a little bit more classic. I'm actually gonna outfit repeat an outfit that I absolutely loved and I wore on holiday in Dubai. I just felt so good when I wore it. I feel like outfits like that you need to like treasure and definitely make sure you repeat them. So yeah, it is just these white tailored shorts from Zara with a matching kind of tailored tuxedo white blazer. Yeah, this is just a firm favorite in my wardrobe. It just felt so good wearing it. I wore it to a brunch in Dubai with my family and got loads of compliments on it actually. At that brunch I actually bumped into so many of you. It was so nice, such a fun day. So yeah, I think I'm definitely going to wear that because it gives me good vibes. But yeah, that is everything. I think that is pretty much all the daytime and nighttime options that I am going to take with me. So yeah, feeling a little bit clearer about what I'm going to wear. But please let me know your thoughts, especially on the daytime outfits, because I do feel like I'm taking quite a lot with me. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope if you are going to Paris or on a city break, then this was helpful for some inspiration. I think it's really nice to throw in a few fun outfits here and there, because that's what wearing clothes is about, is feeling good and having fun. So yeah, anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy it, then please subscribe. It means the world to me. And yeah, I hope to see you in my next video. Bye guys.